Okay guys, this is the first check from my second Clickbank account, if that makes sense. It was from 2018, it was on $86, and that is okay because this was the first check. And this is actually part that stays with you, check stays in the bank. So today I'm going to show you how you can automatically 100% free create videos that you can use to promote your affiliate products. And this method is available worldwide. And I'm going to show you step by step how to make these videos. So even if you're an absolute beginner, you've never done anything like this in your life, you will know how to do this. And also I'm going to show you how you can promote these videos to get even more traffic, to get even more sales. And also I'm going to give you some tips and advices, so make sure to watch this video till the end. It is really important. With that being said, let's jump up in my computer and we are going to begin. You can use this method for Clickbank, for Digital24, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, or any other affiliate network. You can even use it to promote your own products. But for this example, I am going to use Clickbank. And now I need to choose my niche. And I really love dogs. I have a dog. Her name is Lina, and it is the best dog in the world. So now I need to find products in the dog niche. To do that, I need to scroll here and I need to click here on home and garden and then on animal care and pets. And you will see that top products in this category are dog related products. And let's say I wish to promote this product here, brain training for dogs. I know this is a good product, and here you can see on average I can make $31 per sale, and gravity is 79, which is a good gravity. Before we continue, I have a small request for you. Please like this video and also please subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave the comment down below and I will answer on all of your questions because I answer on all of the comments on my videos. So with that being said, let's continue. So next thing we need to do, we need to go on Google, and here in search bar we need to type site column medium.com brain training for dogs review and then click search. And here you can see reviews of this product on medium.com, and you can apply this on all the products from Clickbank, from Digital24, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, or any other affiliate network. And we just go here, and here you can see custom keto diet is one of the top products on Clickbank, and here you can see published reviews on medium.com for custom keto diet. So let me just go back here and let me just open this article here, and you will see in a minute why we need this article on Medium review of this product on the Medium. And as you can see, this is actually a good article. There is lots of really important information about this product. So overall, this is a good article. And now we need to use this article to actually make our video. So next thing you need to do, you need to go on this website here. I will reveal your name in the minute. And this website will basically convert your article into a video. Now this is important. I strongly recommend to write your own articles or to rewrite somebody else's articles, not to use original articles. So with that being said, what you need to do, you need to click here in upper right corner on sign up, and you need to sign up for a free account. That is quite fine. You need to add your full name, your email and your password, and then click here on create account, or you can simply sign up with your Facebook account. And they will give you a whole bunch of options. You need to skip all of those options and you will come to your dashboard. And what you need to do, you need to click here on a new video to create a new video. And here you need to choose a template. As you can see, they have lots of available templates, even for a free members. So let me just choose one of these templates. So let's say, for example, this one here. Just click here. And now you need to choose a video format. So you need to scroll here and you need to click on YouTube, because we are making videos mostly for YouTube. And this format is also well for Facebook videos. So you need to choose YouTube format. And now what we need to do, we need to go back on our Medium article and we need to copy the URL, go back here and we need to paste that link here. And then click here on import and give it a few seconds to actually import this article on this website. And now you need to delete this double headline, just delete this, and you need to delete this as well to make this look nice. And then click here on convert video and this website will automatically convert this article into a video. Just give it a few seconds to do that. And this is my video. These are the slides of my video. Now, this is not the best template for this video, for this product. Of course, you will choose better template for your own product, and you can edit these slides here. For example, if I wish to remove this review, just click here and I can remove this review. Okay, just like this. And this is a tip for you. You wish to make your first few slides between 2 and 5 seconds long because you wish to catch their attention on the beginning of the video so they will watch entire video. Now to do that, you can simply highlight that slide and then you can click here on this minus to make it shorter, or click here on this plus to make it longer. Like I said, your first few slides need to be between 2 and 5 seconds long. Now, when I click here on preview, I can preview my video. Let me just scroll here and I will actually pause this video because they will automatically add royalty-free music to your video. And after you are satisfied how your video looks, all you have to do is just click here on publish and publish this video. And good thing about this is they actually will process your video on the cloud, so processing speed doesn't depend on the speed of your computer or from the speed of your internet connection. And the website that I use to make this video is called Lumen 5. Next thing you need to do, you need to upload that video on your YouTube channel. Now, I will not show you how to upload videos on YouTube. I believe you all know how to upload videos on YouTube. But to maximize your earnings, what you need to do, you need to also upload that video on your Facebook fan page and also on Rumble, on Vimeo, Dailymotion, BitChute and other video sharing websites, because in that way you will drive even more free traffic to your affiliate offers and you will get even more sales and make even more money. Now, this is another tip for you. In order to get that initial traffic to your videos, what you need to do, you need to share those videos on related Facebook groups. You need to share it on related subreddits. You need to share it on Quora, on related forums, on Pinterest, on Twitter, and so on and so on. And in that way, you will get that initial traffic, initial views that will help your videos to rank better and to start getting even more free views, and you will start getting more clicks and you will start making even more sales. And this is final and most important tip for you, so pay close attention. You saw how easy it is to create these videos and you saw that you can quickly create these videos. So what you need to do, you need to create as much as you can these videos related to your product, and you need to upload those videos every day on YouTube, on Facebook, on Rumble and so on and so on. And if you do that for 30 or 60 days, at least one of your videos will go viral and that video will start getting thousands and thousands of free views and you will start getting lots of clicks totally free to your affiliate link, and you will start making sales absolutely free without investing any money. So this is how you do affiliate marketing as a beginner without website. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.